Now let's talk about how to do the reading part 7. As we've said, you see the questions first, and then this is followed by the text. So the first thing to do is to read the title. Again, just to give you some context, give you an idea of what the text is about. Then, of course, look at the subtitle. The same thing, it gives us some more information. The title may not always be clear, but the subtitle then will explain, give us some more context. Then you should try to read the text as quickly as you can, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, again just to give you a sense of the context. Then you need to read the questions, because really to find the answers, this is what you're going to concentrate on. As we have done with parts 5 and 6, you should highlight key information, both the questions and the text. And we can see here our title is highlighted, subtitle, there's one of the paragraphs, and then also in the question, highlight the questions. So how can we find the answers to part 7? Well, the first thing to say about it is that after you've read it quickly, you should concentrate on one text only and decide which questions have the answer of, for example, in this case, A. This makes the amount of text that you have to read much shorter, and then it is possible to find all the answers for that letter. Then you just repeat this with each of the rest of the text until you have finished. And that's it.